Hey, so I just bought a device that it's not actually device. I don't know what to say, device or I just bought an adapter. I want to show you. So actually, it's not. So you. Let me stay here. This is the device. So this is the one. It's a Type C to Type C adapter. Look, I think this is the male side or this is the female. So this is a Type C male to Type C female adapter. And why I need this one? Simple reason. So this is my phone, the S25 Ultra, and the cover, the case I'm using is sub case, and you can see the thickness of the case. Like you can see the thickness is too thick. So if I use this mic, it doesn't go properly. Actually, it doesn't connect because it doesn't reach to the phone. But now I can use this adapter to go directly to the. Now with this thing I can use the mic without even changing my case. And yeah, so this is the problem it solves. They claim that it has 240 watts with 40 Gbps, but I don't know. I didn't try it yet. But isn't it amazing that I didn't know about this thing? Even the problem that I got after after buying the case, thickness, and who knows, like this thing can help me. So yeah, so it claimed actually, but I tried to search it. I tried to search with it. I try to do charging with this because you can actually do, and actually charge with 45 watt. I think it charged with 45 watt. In Samsung's it was charging at super fast 2 point, and it only cost me 249.